Hello. Today I have quite a short dev diary, if you want to call it that. I've been a bit busy this month and haven't really had that much time to dedicate, or rather, I haven't made that much time to dedicate to this to the game. So, disappointingly, the only thing that I put in is a pretty important feature, but it's you know definitely not a month's worth of work. Is on hover tooltips. Now, as you can see, these tooltips are not even implemented for everything yet, but they will be in the game. Aside from that, I've been working on getting a schedule for this, getting a schedule going, sort of doing more planning stuff, and I should hopefully next month be able to implement a lot more features. The sort of features that I'm planning to implement next are quite big. For example, they're more about like getting the AI to actually sort of function and do stuff by itself. Like for example, the AI can already wage war, but I've put in a threat system, I've put in claims fabrication, and yeah, these two features alongside like having a diplomatic reputation, all sorts of stuff. Pretty much, if you've played a paradox game or if you've played a grand strategy game, these are sort of the numbers that control how a nation will behave or how an AI nation will behave. So I pretty much need to put all that stuff in and then have the AI make decisions, and then I can sort of um, debug and balance the game around how the AI plays it. Um, yeah, so unfortunately, this month I've been pretty busy. So it's a very, very, very slim dev diary. Um, yeah, so sorry guys. And yeah, that's about it. Have a good day.